How to destroy hair follicles naturally at home. Suppose you're looking for an easy and effective way to destroy hair follicles naturally at home without slathering yourself with various fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices. In that case, you only have two options: IPL and electrolysis. This video was inspired by an article published on myglam.com titled "No More Waxing or Shaving: 14 Easy Ways to Get Rid of Body Hair Naturally." Upon further review, the natural hair removal tips, 14 easiest ways to remove body hair at home outlined in the article, were anything but easy or convenient, and definitely not doable on a long-term basis. Below are the natural hair removal remedies they mentioned: raw papaya paste with turmeric, potato and lentil paste, cornstarch and eggs, sugar, honey, and lemon, baking soda and turmeric, oatmeal and banana scrub, oil massages, garlic juice, corn flour with milk, rose water and alum powder, basil leaves and onions, white pepper and camphor, gram/chickpea flour scrub, chamomile tea. We can't say for sure if these methods are practical when removing unwanted hairs at home because we have never tried them. If you do end up trying any of these acclaimed natural hair removal methods, be sure to let us know how it goes. Effective ways to destroy hair follicles naturally at home. When it comes to getting rid of unwanted hairs at home and keeping them gone, you only have two options. 1. IPL, Intense Pulsed Light Hair Removal, commonly referred to as at-home laser hair removal, and 2. At-home electrolysis kits. Here's what you need to know about IPL. IPL stands for Intense Pulsed Light, and as the name suggests, it's a type of light therapy that's somewhat similar to laser hair removal. The light produced and emitted by an IPL device is not as potent, fast-acting, or as concentrated as that of a clinical-grade laser. Nonetheless, IPL treatments are still effective at getting rid of unwanted hair by damaging the hair follicles. IPL works by sending heated pulses of light towards the roots of your unwanted hair, thus destroying the hair follicle. A single treatment can take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes, depending on how large of an area you want to treat. IPL reduces unwanted hairs or reduces hair growth at home over time. In other words, using an IPL handset for at-home laser hair removal is a great way to destroy hair follicles at home naturally. How long does it take to see results from IPL hair removal? It takes about 4 to 8 IPL treatments performed weekly to see noticeable results. This timeline will vary from person to person, but our customers do well, usually getting results in a relatively short amount of time. Who is suitable for IPL hair removal? IPL is suitable for anyone with darker colored hair. The light emitted from IPL handset is attracted to the dark pigment found in the hair follicles. If you have white, red, blonde, or gray hair, IPL hair removal will not be effective. If you ever plan to buy an IPL in the future and the brand claims their IPL will, quote, work on all skin types and hair colors, you should probably do your research or ask for proof of results. As of the time of writing this article, there are currently 0 at-home laser hair removal handsets capable of getting rid of unwanted hairs or destroying hair follicles. At-home electrolysis hair removal. You may not know this, but clinical-grade electrolysis is the only hair removal method that can guarantee permanent results. On the other hand, the at-home kits cannot live up to that standard. You may have been researching at-home electrolysis hair removal devices, kits, or reviews, and came across DIY videos claiming that they are effective. However, they aren't the best. Using an at-home electrolysis kit requires a lot of trial and error and can be very harmful without the proper training. If you want to learn more about electrolysis hair removal, we've published an article covering all the essential stuff and frequently asked questions. The most effective means of stopping body hair growth is either by getting professional electrolysis hair removal, which is painful and expensive, laser hair removal in a professional setting, which can also be painful and expensive, or using an IPL, Intense Pulsed Light device, also known as at-home laser hair removal. Final thoughts. If you've made it this far, we're going to assume you're serious about finding an effective method to destroy hair follicles naturally at home. So let's introduce you to our IPL. The KetchBeauty V4.1 IPL handset sends pulses of light to the hair follicle to destroy the melanin cells. This prevents subsequent growth as the cells surrounding the hair follicles have been damaged and will most likely result in permanent hair removal, though we cannot claim or guarantee permanent results. We guarantee long-lasting hair removal results, not permanent results. If you're looking for an impressive at-home laser hair removal device that doesn't sacrifice effectiveness for affordability, KetchBeauty's at-home IPL is the way to go.